Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Hopefully you're able to get outside and enjoy some of the warm weather we've had lately. Unfortunately, Sunday was a little bit rainy and dreary, but hopefully Michigan will kind of turn this around and keep bringing us that warm weather here so we can get outside a little bit more and enjoy that. But I want to go ahead and talk through your assignments for this week. What is your goal and what are any supports and tools that are there to help you? So your goal this week is to show mastery of simplifying rational expressions. Rational expressions, guys, they're just fractions. It's just a fancy way of saying fraction. But you are using three methods to do that. Reducing, which you guys have done since middle school, like reduce a fraction, factoring, which we practiced last week, and then greatest common factor. We also practiced that last week, and you guys did awesome on your Delta Math. So I'm very confident that going forward this week, using those skills, you guys will do well with that. So those are your three tools this week for simplifying that I go through in my lessons and kind of talk through how do we use those to then simplify fractions, rational expressions. Reminder on my office hours for Tuesdays and Thursdays from 11 till noon. Think of those kind of like during work time, in class, practice time. Anytime you would need help, you would raise your hand and I would come and help you. Unfortunately, we don't have that now, and a lot of the practice is at home on your own. But office hours are your time when you can raise your hand and come get help from me. And so use those links there in my assignment sheet here to join me for a video chat. Again, you can turn off your camera if you want. Several students do that. But I'll be there and I can talk you through any problems that you need help with. So again, that's just like in class, raising your hand, a way for you to get some help. But let's go ahead and look at our assignments for this week. So for this week, please make sure you fill in that check-in sheet. I'm doing my very best to get back to anyone with any questions they have or any requests like that that they need for help. Looking at Tuesday and Wednesday, I split our lesson up into 2 days. So I've got lessons made for you, some video lessons, and then 2 sets of practice problems on Delta Math because putting it all in one assignment would have just been too much. And so you guys have 2 separate assignments there on Delta Math for this week. So for Tuesday, we've got 2 videos here for you guys to go through and take some notes on. And then you have some practice problems on Delta Math that will reflect those. Now, I've had quite a few students email me saying, I'm getting the right answer, but I'm putting it into Delta Math and it's saying it's wrong. The smallest notation, like if you're not jumping out of the exponent or if you're not using parentheses in a certain spot, it will mark it as incorrect. And so this week I made a video to help you guys of how you should be typing your answers into Delta Math to hopefully help you kind of catch those beforehand. Because I understand that can be really frustrating looking at your paper like I have the right answer. Now I need to get it into Delta Math and for some reason it won't let me. So please make sure you take advantage of those videos here and here to help you submit your answers and hopefully not have any issues with that. Wednesday, again, we have another lesson, and this is where we're taking all of the skills and putting them together. And so this lesson's got a lot packed in it. But again, I'm very confident in you guys that you guys will do well with this material because you did so well with it last week. And it's doing those exact same things. It just looks a little bit different. And so if you need extra help with that, I'm going to be doing a live lesson on Thursday from 11 until noon. I don't expect it to go the whole time, so make sure you join earlier there. And I am going to be going through going through problems to help you guys even more with those problems there if you need it. So to join that live lesson, you just need to click this link and it will take you right to it. Okay. Again, that will be on Thursday from 11 until noon, not on Wednesday. Don't get that mixed up there. But again, another assignment for Delta Math on there. So two separate assignments that you both need to have completed on Delta Math. For Thursday, you guys have your mastery assignment just like normal. Again, hopefully you're noticing we have the same process every week that I'm trying to keep it consistent for you guys. Friday is again a catch-up day for anyone that needs to work on work from previous weeks. Guys, we are getting very close to the end of our semester on June 12th. And we need to make sure that any missing assignments or any assignments we haven't shown mastery yet on, that we're completing those. And so if you are someone that has work from previous weeks that you need to make up, I will be sending you an email by Wednesday evening. Okay. So if you don't get an email from me, again, feel free to reach out and just be like, hey, am I all caught up? Otherwise, I am going to be emailing you to let you know what you need to be catching up on. Okay. Again, Thursday is when I update my grade book, so if you don't want a missing assignment to go in, please make sure you have your Algebra 2 work done before Thursday early afternoon, because that's when I'm doing it. I'm having quite a few students complete it Thursday evening or Friday morning, and then they're wondering why it's going in as missing. It's because every week, Thursday afternoon is when the assignments are due and when I'm updating my grade book. So just please be aware of that. And if that's not something you want to happen, make sure you get those done beforehand. All right, guys, I hope you are doing well. I miss you guys, and thank you again for last week. You guys were just so supportive and so great about the big news of me being pregnant and sharing that with you guys. I really do wish I could have shared that with you guys in person, but thank you again for all those that reached out and congratulations and thanked. I'm just so thankful for that, and I miss you guys dearly, and hope you guys are staying safe and doing well. Please feel free to reach out with any questions that you guys have about our assignments this week or anything going on with your Algebra 2 work. I'd love to help you. But again, thank you so much for your support last week. I really do appreciate it. All right, guys, let me know if you need anything, and I hope you are doing well.